The Blinc Glow and Go Face and Body Cream Stick Highlighter comes in 2 different shades. It goes above and beyond to create a radiant glow that nourishes skin and is perfect for use on the face and body. It is water-based and lightweight, and the combination of hyaluronic acid and cucumber extract provide lasting moisturization, while a powerful peptide complex helps improve skin's firmness, tone, and elasticity over time. Perfect to be used under and above foundation for a natural glow from within that will glide over skin, disguising any texture. You can apply it straight from the tube or with a brush, or even use the warmth from your fingertips, which works perfectly fine too.